What is time management? Time never waits for anybody. It is the most valuable commodity in our life. Time lost is never gained. It is like a broken pearl. We work not only to produce but to give value to time. What's time management? Does it have any relation with our personality development? Yes, time management is about planning for the future. It is also about living today. Naturally, it has something to do with our personal development. If you had an extra hour a day, what would you do with it? It might help you to accomplish a work soon. Time flies when you are having fun. Time is wasted while we are talking unnecessarily. We will be losing time if we sit idle. We will be killing time if we do unwanted things. We will be saving time when we do useful things. Time is money, but time cannot be stored like any other commodity. You have some set goals. Your goals must be important to you. You have to achieve them. You have to organize time. It is with you. You have to maximize it. It value your time. Some people waste their time without doing anything. Still they say that they don't have time to work. But there are people who are time conscious. Usually say time is not enough. Unless time is managed, nothing can be managed. The transport authorities like road, railway or air fix up time schedules for the movement of respective vehicles. In schools and colleges, classes are run according to a timetable. In the examinations, students have to answer questions in the allotted time. Planning activities and managing time for them suitably is essential. Remember the sayings: yesterday is dead, tomorrow is not yet born, today is ours. Let us not waste it. Successful people take time in evolving a proper methodology to materialize their goals. There will not be any overcommitment. People have to manage their time according to the work they have to carry out. Better thing they can do is listing out priorities and act. How to save time? Time saving means doing things easily and accomplishing them in the least possible time without affecting the quality of work. For example, some of the works may be completed by communicating over phone. It saves time. Even while talking over phone, time taken to speak shall be as less as possible. Few organizations do their jobs or complete the projects ahead of schedule and save time. The saved time may be used for other profitable work. While managing time, one has to allot time to items like entertainment, spending some time with the family members, social functions, physical exercises, and sports. A busy man may not find time for these items, but still, these cannot be forgotten. One has to stick to social obligations. It is a sort of interaction also. Do not forget to enjoy the precious moments of life. Remember, when a work is done systematically, it will be completed as per schedule. Create a chart of your time usage. Divide all your activity at work into rough percentages. However, identify your objectives and concentrate on the critical ones. Identify where you can make savings and decide what you would rather be doing with that time. Procrastination is the wasting disease of time. It is the major block. To avoid it, make a start as soon as you can. Do not allow yourself to delay because procrastination is the thief of time. Remember, procrastination or postponing the work freeze your ambitions, handicap you at work, and keep you underachieving. Without good time management, you will be inefficient, stressed, and unfulfilled.